Hey friends, how are you? So we have this antique dresser and it has a broken bottom to the drawer. We're not going to be able to find wood that looks this old, but we are going to take this piece and we're going to remake it, and I'm going to show you how to do that so that it fits properly inside of the dados that's cut on all three sides. I'm going to stick this end into the dado on that side. See if I can do it here. Short. I'm going to stick the dado, stick that into the dado on that side, and on this side slide it into the dado. This way it can be slid all the way to the front like that, and then this one is sitting all the way to the back. So you want to turn the drawer over and remove the nails from the underside. You want this base to be able to slide. Just gonna loosen these nails a little bit. Once you get all the nails out, this will slide in that dado. Still a nail in here somewhere, right here. You want to slide this in so it's nice and even with the back. See how it's nice and flush with the back of the drawer here. Once you have that nice and even, then we're going to connect these two together. Okay, so once you get this back even, like I said, cut two strips of wood that you can sit on here, and we're going to glue this all together so that this piece and this piece are in position, and then this is going to be all glued together, and then I'll show you what the next step is. So what we're going to do is we're going to put glue on both of these. We're going to sit it in here, making sure that this is exactly where we want it. We're going to sit weight on there so that it glues in good shape. We're going to do the same to this side. Alright, so as you can see, we got the two strips of wood there. You can use 3 if you want. There's no magic number. Just want to make sure that the two pieces, the back and the front piece, actually are in position where they belong before this is glued. Because what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to take and slide this all out as one unit and trace it onto a new piece of bottom that we're going to use in there, a new piece of plywood, piece of luan underlayment. So let this dry up. It's a little chilly out here. It's the end of January 2019. It's the 26th. Shout out to my sister. Happy birthday, Kathy. Once this dries up, I'll make the next part of the video. For you, it's going to be instantaneous. So welcome back. I know it only felt like a couple seconds to you, but it's been all night. I took the bricks off of it just a few seconds ago. So now what we have is we have the base of this drawer slid into its track where it belongs, into the dado that's on the three sides. This is the part that's broken out, and we have it glued together with these two bridge pieces. Now we can take the whole thing out as one piece, set the drawer off to the side, and we'll set a piece of wood down, sit this on there, and trace it out. Alright, so what we'll do is, we know that this is the bottom side of the drawer that's on the outside. But we can't put it this way and trace it. It's not as easy because it's up off the top. We'll just sit it down flat, put it to one side, and make sure that it's right even there as well as across the bottom. And then we'll trace it out. So what we end up with is this here, and we just need to connect the dots for where the break is. Just like that. Now we'll cut this out with a jigsaw, and this will be our new bottom. That's what you end up with. Alright, so I'll just take a little bit of sandpaper and clean up the edge. Like so. Let's see how she fits. Just like so. New bottom.